Okay, today we're going to talk about the DIY fire pit in the courtyard of our farm. This is really the centerpiece of our farm as far as people love to sit here and enjoy, whether it's Airbnbers or our Harvest Host guests. We have 3 sleeping cabins right around this courtyard, along with a shower house and bathhouse. And then here's the party barn. It's a converted barn, and in the back we have grills that people that rent the space can use. But it's a really central area, beautiful around there, and just a nice area and perfect for a fire pit. So when we built this fire pit, it's a very simple process. So what we did is we dig down about 12 to 18 inches. We found that the lower depth like this really allows the fire to be low, out of your eyes. It's great for when you're making s'mores or when you're cooking. And you see that cooking bar there. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but let's get first to how we built it. So this is built with something we call limestone D-rock, a very inexpensive rock here in Ohio, very hard, about 6 to 12 inch pieces on average, a few smaller, a few larger. There you get a look at the D-rock, but we actually put that around and layer it in. It's very easy if you need to pull this out in a few years and clean it if you want to, or put new D-rock in, very inexpensive. You're looking at less than probably $40 to $50 here in D-rock. The entire project costs less than $60, and this is why we love using this stone. Very easy to lay in. Once you dig out your circle, we'll kind of show you here. We put the first layer in, we use larger rocks and make the perfect circle around, and then from there we build out. And you notice those levels are a little bit slanted, and that's so the rock can kind of come up and out really well. And that lower depth, again, just really makes it nice for the fire pit to just be below people and not smoke them out. So once you build that first layer in, then you just kind of layer in different sizes. And it's really easy. It's an easy process. And trust me, I can tell you, we built a lot of these, and it ends up looking like this every single time. And like I said, easy to clean if you need to pull them out, or even easy to replace in 5 or 6 years if you need to without a lot of expense. So the cooking bar, let's talk about this. So the cooking bar we built with 2 iron sleeves on either side that we push down about 2 feet below the bottom of the fire pit. We dig them out with post hole diggers, put the iron in, and then this pipe can slide into that pipe. The pipe sleeves are about 1.25 inches. The pipe itself is 1 inch, and then we just put it down in. And then these caps, as you can hear me putting them on, if you don't want the cooking bar in place, you just put the caps on. But the cooking bar is really, really nice, as it allows you to hang soup pots. You can even smoke meat, smoke anything. And then if you want to, those 2 rods also can be used to put a little grill on top of as well. But here you can see us last year cooking some fire over it, or cooking some soup, over it. So we have an entire story about this on the blog, oldworldgardenfarms.com. Just search fire pit. We walk you through the entire process of how to build it. But a really good look, for under $60, you can build this fire pit. You really can't beat that when you think about it. It's just a great looking fire pit and easy to build.